Hi, I'm Linda Hutchinson of L. Hutchinson Designs. Today I'm going to show you how you can make an organizer with dividers. Sometimes when you have a junk drawer or perhaps a sock drawer, something with a lot of small items, it's nice to have something to organize and divide them. But you don't always necessarily want to go out and spend a lot of money. So here's a quick way to recycle and achieve that organization cheaply. I've already begun to cover the shoebox with the duct tape. You don't have to do this, but it makes it a little more reinforced and it covers up the advertisements on the box. It's a matter of preference. Then I took 2 pieces of recycled cardboard and I cut them to fit crossways in the box to make 4 compartments. And what I did was I made a notch with a pair of scissors. I cut a notch here and here so that they can fit together. Now I'm going to go ahead and cover this one with some tape as well. You can use any color of tape you want. Perhaps you don't want to use the organizer in a drawer. Perhaps you want to use it on a desk or a shelf and you want it to be more decorative. You can cover it with any color or pattern of tape. You can use paper to cover it, whatever it is you prefer. You can tear the tape, but I find you get a slightly neater edge if you cut it. Sometimes it wants to stick to the scissors, but it still usually gives it a neater edge than if you rip it. You want to be careful when you're covering it. Once you have all of the components covered with tape or paper, whatever it is that you choose, then you simply put the inserts together at the points where you have the notches. And I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. So now I'm going to take these notches and fit them together like so. And then I'm just going to place it in the box, and there you have an organizer with dividers. Cheap and ecological. My name is Linda Hutchinson. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.